Starting this morning, there is a new option for mental health care services in particular.
Flagler Health Plus is opening a new crisis care center in St. Augustine. News4JAX reporter Ashley Harding joining us live from that center. Ashley, the facility is holding a ribbon cutting this morning.
Yes, and it's about to happen in just a little over an hour. And the focus really is on mental health services, believed particularly to young people. So joining me live right here is the president and CEO of Flagler Health, Carlton DeVoe. Thank you for joining us this morning.
Thank you. Glad to have you all here.
So right behind you, we see this banner, CAR Center. That is for crisis, assessment, and referral. What this will do for the community.
Thank you. It fills a gap that we have right now in mental health services. Here in St. Johns County, we're fortunate that a lot of organizations work together. So this will help us take people who are in crisis, put them in a more calming environment so that they can get the care they need.
And, you know, there's still such a stigma behind mental health services. What is your message to someone who may see this and think that I can use that as a resource?
That's exactly what we want. We want folks to come to get the care they need when they need it, rather than get into a severe crisis where they might have to come into a place like the emergency room and go through the Baker Act process.
And I think we would be remiss not to point out we've seen some horrific things over the last couple of weeks, particularly the mass shootings. You know, how important is it to know that these are here so it doesn't get to that point? Because it can, as we've seen before.
Exactly, and that's what we want to do here. Our team is fabulous. They saw a need in the community and they put this forward as an idea. And thankfully, the executive team supported it and our board supported it. So we just want to reach out to the community and let them know that this is here for them and really take care of the folks of this community and all around us.
And real quick, we saw those murals inside. There's something about that calmness, isn't there? That's the approach.
There is. It's a whole lot better when you can come into an area that has a picture of a dolphin or an ocean setting that's very calming, especially in a crisis situation. It's much better than being led into an emergency room setting where it's very clinical, very tense, very stressful.
Very good. Thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate it. That ribbon cutting is scheduled to happen at 10 o'clock. They are setting up for it right here. We will be here for that and keep you guys updated.